2024 Rolls-Royce Ghost. It may be somewhat cheaper than the Phantom, but there's nothing cheap approximately the 2024 Rolls-Royce Ghost. From tip to tail, this extravagance limo oozes fabulousness and advancement. A V12 motor gives easy increasing speed, but whereas it's able of hitting 60 miles per hour in a brisk 4.6 seconds and offers a shocking level of physicality for its measure, the Ghost is way better utilized for tenderly shipping its powerplayer travelers to and from board gatherings and select social capacities. A camera checks the street ahead to assist plan the suspension for potholes and speed bumps to keep the ride as smooth as conceivable. That gives travelers the capacity to taste champagne and nibble on caviar without spilling anything onto the Ghost's buttery soft calfskin or high-pile lambswool floor mats. Prepared to live your ways of life of the wealthy and celebrated daydream? With a little speculation of around $400,000, the Ghost can take up home in your garage, but remember, the chauffeur is sold independently. Rolls-Royce has been centering on its to-begin-with electric vehicle, the Ghost, so the Ghost carries over to 2024 without any noteworthy changes to its plan, highlights list, or powertrain. Rolls-Royce too built 25 uncommon version Eclipsis models to celebrate October 14th's sun-oriented overshadow. The car highlighted a one-of-a-kind form of the Ghost Starlight headliner that was outlined to pay tribute to the firmament occasion, and it moreover highlighted in shrewd dashboard trim encompassing a jewel timepiece. The Ghost is the entry-level Rolls, but what in passage? The list of standard and discretionary gear is mesmerizing and long, and Rolls-Royce offers a apparently perpetual list of extra highlights and customizations. The as it were address is how much you're willing to spend. We'll take off the decision-making to you, but we'd suggest the expanded wheelbase show to maximize rear seat legroom. The Ghost is fueled by a 563 HP 6.7-liter V12 that's shared with the Cullinan SUV. Dark identification models get a boost in control to 592 horsepower. An 8-speed programmed handles moving obligations, and all-wheel drive is standard. Agreeing to Rolls-Royce, the Ghost is competent of hitting 60 miles per hour in fair 4.6 seconds, and we're looking forward to confirming that claim at our test track. Rolls-Royce too brags that the Ghost offers sharp dealing with, indicating to its all-wheel steering framework and 50/50 weight conveyance as proof that driving fulfillment played a noteworthy part within the car's improvement. The Ghost gives a unbeatable ride thanks to its standard versatile suspension, which utilizes a road scanning camera to assist the vehicle inspect and compensate for potholes. Of course, just like the cabin of any Rolls-Royce, the modern Ghost is rich, with each surface, handle, switch, and lever made from quality materials. Think thick carpet, finely grained calfskin, genuine wood and metal emphasizes, and indeed an accessible headliner with modest coordinates LEDs to reenact a starlit sky. An lit-up dashboard decorate shines when the driver turns on the Ghost, including to the starry night climate. Rear seat travelers are treated to such extravagances as rubbing seats, an excitement framework, and sections of land of legroom. It's nothing less than anticipated for a car within the same course as the Bentley Flying Spur and the Mercedes-Benz Maybach S-Class. At the side giving a Wi-Fi hotspot, the Ghost highlights a expansive infotainment touchscreen within dash route. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto interfacing are included. A dual-screen rear seat excitement framework permits travelers to alter the radio, input destinations into the nav, and more. Rolls-Royce moreover supplies an 18-speaker bespoke stereo system with 1,300 watts of power and magnesium ceramic speaker cones.